Hey there, Wisconsin Fisherman checking in. We are going fishing. Sunday morning, I think it is February 21st. Got some family up here. We're gonna go do some tip-up fishing, maybe a little bit of jigging. We made it out on the lake, got some holes drilled. David over there was setting up his tip-up, dropped it down the hole, and before he could put his flag over on his tee, the fish took it, so it's pretty awesome. Hole here. Okay, time to go to business here with the big minnow. Big sucker minnow down there with that circle hook. I'm gonna try these today and see how many fish I miss, see how many I catch with the circles, and see what happens. Well, I got my 2 flags in, and I'm actually gonna try jigging here and see if I can't pull in any big crappie. Supposedly there's huge crappie in this lake, so I'm gonna do a little bit of jigging. Let me see here. What minnow, kind of minnow did you have on when it took it out of your hand?
It was a shiner.
Was it shiny like that?
But yeah, but I would say you're a lot more experienced at this type of thing than I am.
You're the tip-up fisherman, I'm the crappie fisherman.
Okay, I see what
All right, so we just put on a dead little sucker minnow here and just caught a crappie, so I'm gonna do it again. Oh, I got a fish. Oh, I got it. Oh, no. Oh, I got it. Oh. Ooh. Hey, hey. See if you can get in. Just hold it back. You stand back a little bit more.
I don't see anything.
Folks, we got a fish. Look at that bass.
A bass.
See that bass, folks? We pounded it off the
Nice.
bottom.
Nice.
Sweet.
Smallmouth, right?
No, that's a large.
Is it a large?
That's
Oh,
a
yeah.
nice largemouth. Just using a tiny little treble hook with that minnow on there.
I'll be darned.
Nice fish.
He's pretty close to 14.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let him go. Look at that fish. Nice color.
Yeah.
There he goes. He took off.
Oh, you got
Oh, I got a flag. I'm gonna keep this here.
I'll grab the gas.
All right, Steve, can you
bring
just
the whole
hold this?
four-wheeler.
Don't push no button. All right, guys, we got a flag.
Right behind you. Hope it's the biggie.
Now with the circle hooks on here, all you gotta do is just pull it. And I got a fish on.
So you don't have to set the hook at all with that style, huh?
Oh!
Never seen that before. Did you see that, people?
Got off?
They come right back out the hole. That's all right.
That's funny. Is this about the size you thought? Let him go. Look at that. See, now that's how the circle hook works, I guess. I don't know, he just had it that good.
That is unbelievable.
That was nuts.
Well, that's how them circle hooks work. The fish didn't jump right off.
They just jumped right out of the hole. I got a flag, folks. This is the one that had that big sucker minnow on, and the pike kind of jumped out of the hole. So she is up again. Let's get over to her here and see what's going on. All right, let's do this. See how circle hooks work. Fish on. See that?
Nice. That's a fucking keeper there.
Freaking bass, guys. Look at that bass.
Screen went dark.
That's right. Look at that bass. Guys,
Yeah,
that
that's
is
nice.
a slab of a bass. That's a 16,
That's a keeper
16,
for sure.
17 incher. We're gonna keep it because, and look how that circle hook worked. Right in the corner of his mouth, just how it's
Beautiful.
supposed to.
That's a nice bass.
Yeah, that'll nice fillets off there. That'll make a fish sandwich, folks.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. All right. Woohoo! Look at that. They're just pounding it right now. I got one down there right now. Now I'm doing it, just giving it a little jig. Here he comes. Let it sit. Bam! Did you see that?
That is neat.
And these are huge, but they're nice. Oh, they're nice little slabs, and these are good. Definitely good eater fish right here.
Oh yeah.
It's a nice eater crappie. And what we got on, get it out of here, that panfish plastics, little minnow. And
Break that loose. Now this minnow here is the largest minnow we had. In fact, I had to cut a piece of the tail off so it wouldn't trip it.
snake pike.
I'm hooked to something.
You're hooked on something? Big bass. Oh my god. Oh Jesus, gaff is tucking it. Don't let it run too far.
Ah.
Get it up there quick, quick. Oh Jesus. Keep them tight, keep it tight. Holy cow. Oh, okay, we're good, we're good. Oh. Okay, come on, run. Jeez. Oh, this is a huge fish. Almost lost it with that. Dave, can you stand back and record that? Just kind of like that.
We got a big in here, I'm pretty sure.
Dude, this has got to be huge. I mean, the minnow was what? 8-inch sucker.
Yeah,
Okay,
it was a
there's
big
the-
one. I just don't know how much I dare let him run.
Well, if he's got it on. Ooh, I saw it. That's 35 at least.
We got a mess here.
It's okay.
I got a tangle on it and don't let him run again.
Oh,
I'll get down here to get him at something.
Can you do something with that? No, that's for you.
Oh my god. Oh, shit. Yeah, it's a 35-incher, folks, at least.
don't want to
I
pick
would-
it
I
up
want-
and make a bigger mess
We
either.
want to get it so he can run if he has to, otherwise we're going to lose him.
Nice. Now that's a fish. He was barely fucking hooked too.
Look at that fish, folks. Woo. You want to hold him, Steve?
Go ahead and
That's a dandy.
my hands are a little cold.
Look at that fish.
Yeah, that's a nice one there.
That's a 32-3-incher. I mean, it's 7, 8 pounds. Yeah.
Nice.
It's a nice fish. Got a nice hump in his back. That'll make sandwiches, that's for sure.
Oh yeah.
All right.
I'd like to.
My flag out here is going. Just kind of put it out in the middle.
One of them circle hooks on that one?
Yeah, he's swimming around. He's on. For right now, he's on. Unless it's, yeah, he's on. He doesn't know he's hooked yet. Here he comes.
Oh, another nice bass!
Look at this bass, you guys! Look at this bass!
Another fucking nice bass.
Oh, nice!
Look at the circle hook doing his job!
I like that circle
Right
hook.
there.
Yeah.
Folks, look at this bass.
Nice.
Nice bass. That'll make a fish sandwich too.
Uh-huh.
Nice bass.
That's the biggie.
Nice.
That's good.
bass.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's what we're looking for.
You bet it is. Well, a couple some nice bass, monster pike. That's a huge pike, and then some good little picklers. We'll fillet that guy, and then some crappies just for some little deep frying. Steve's got another flag here.
Well, he's probably swallowing it, and that's okay.
No, it's still there. That's what my bass did. Steve's turn for a big 5-pound bass. We're going straight towards the deep. Let's get this fish, folks. I got this gaff with the big old treble hooks, the bent one from missing the last fish. And
He is there.
he's there. Just kind of coming right at you.
Yep.
Big bass. Just get him, pull him right up when you get him here.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Yep.
Big pike.
Bass.
Oh, there's a bass.
Yep.
It ain't as big as yours, though.
Oh. That's my far one. I'm running. Alright, folks. Got no flag. 2 and 1. I just moved this one out here. And let me tell you, this is some slick stuff. I'm running with the gaff. Don't run with scissors. Don't run with choke hooks either. Look at her go. Look at her go. Come on, be a nice pike. Yep, she's there.
Gonna need
Decent fish. I think this is a bass, and I'm getting straight head shakes and stuff. Oh, decent pike.
We got another pike, folks.
No.
Nothing huge, but still a good
Look
eater.
at how that hooked.
Perfect.
I haven't missed one on the circle hooks, guys. Let me tell you, these circle hooks, I don't know much about them, first time using them, but I think we've had a good turnout with them. Right? Put this guy in our fish pile. Alright guys, we're gonna keep this little pike for pickling, but if that eagle comes around, I'm gonna throw this little pike out for the eagle, and he's gonna come down and swoop it up. Okay, so watch this. This is how this is gonna happen. I'm gonna throw this pike, that eagle's gonna see it, watch it flop, and he's gonna come down and get it. I've done it like twice. So, he's over there in that tree. I got this little pike here, we're gonna pickle him, but if we can feed the eagles, watch how cool this is. Here he comes. Oh, oh, we're down the hole! Yeah, it set your flag off. I couldn't do that again if I tried. Look, here he comes, he's looking for it. Give me a crappie quick, I'll give him a crappie. Watch this, look. Okay, there's a crappie, there he is. He's gonna swing back around. I cannot believe I threw that pike and it went down the hole. Check this out, folks. I'll feed him one of my crappies. That's awesome. Wisconsin. Let's go see if the pike's still in the hole. I couldn't do that again if I tried. Well, at least the little pike made it then. Let's see. Oh no, he's here. He's still here, so we can keep pickling him. We can pickle him, or we can, if that northern, no. If that northern comes back, or I mean, if the eagle comes back, we can feed him to the eagle still. He's huge.
Yeah, that's a big eagle.
Steve, throw it out a little bit. He'll probably snatch it up now that Steve's not out there. Yeah, here. Oh my goodness gracious. Steve, turn around. Turn around. He just picked it up. Yeah, he got it. Look, he can barely fly.
Pike?
Yeah, that was a little pike. Well, we got the big pike, the bass, couple little crappies there, a couple other pike. It's gonna be.
Well, that's not including the 2 we let go right away.
Yeah, we let 2 pike go right away. But it's time to pack it up. Thanks for watching. Well, we're gonna go home, clean some fish, and call her a day. Thanks for watching Wisconsin Fisherman.
Might be swallowing her. I'll just let him swallow this quick. He might be swallowing.
Hey guys, if you like this, subscribe. I'd really like it. I want to get more than like a lot of subscribers, so because I'm gonna do this a lot. If you like seeing fish being caught, subscribe so you can see more. Thanks.